Hey y'all, quick video here. No, it's not a craft, but I do have something free for you. Easter is coming up, and if you're like me and you want to keep your littles busy, or at least one of your littles, one of my littles is too big for this. But anyway, I have put together a free, downloadable, printable, whatever you want to call it, kit for you that has 25 Easter activities. So we have these really cute coloring pages here. I just want to show you right quick what's in here, okay, so that you can see if you want to download it or not. We have some really cute coloring pages. We have some bunnies, and we have some chicks. We also have some activity pages. This here, Amber, my goodness, this here is some alphabet tracing paper. And then we have a maze to help the little chick find the eggs. Here you have to count, and of course the numbers are here. It helps once again with handwriting and coordination. Spot 10 differences between the two pictures. I used to love those when I was little. We have a maze here to help the bunny find the carrots. And then you get to count how many carrots, put the numbers in the box. Shadow matching, match the drawing with the shadow. Little maze here. Match which animal with the treat that they have. Connect the dots. What comes next? Another connect the dots. Counting eggs. A maze to figure out which bunny belongs to which carrot, or which carrot belongs to which bunny. It doesn't matter. What comes next again? Then we have an I Spy and that pesky fly. It's an I Spy a pesky fly that's flying around in here. But anyway, I'm going to have a link down in the description box, and I'll also pin a comment. What can you do with these? Print them out. Use them in your home. Use them, you know, if you have a library group. If you're a teacher, use them in your classroom. Use them for whatever you want. It doesn't matter to me. I just ask that you please don't reproduce them and then sell them, you know, or put them together into another file and they give that file away. Just print them out and use them, okay? But anyway, when you click the link, it is going to take you to my website, to the freebies. Michelle Noble's is going to take you to the freebies site here. And then you're going to scroll down. Okay, scroll down until you see this right here. You see where it says the free Easter activity pack number 1, because I might put together another one. This little icon here that says download file, you're going to click that. And it's going to download the PDF for you. And then you can just print it out as many times as you like and have fun with it, okay? Now, if you like this, if you have any ideas of free printables that you want, you know, any type of theme, I like doing these, I like putting them together, let me know down in the comments. Anyway, I hope you like this. I hope your littles have fun with it, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.